So our next step is to now make our pages and then start getting them linked together. So to make a page from our template, File, New, Page from Template, and if you've done it right up to this point, you should see a little preview of your template over here in the top right hand corner. If you don't see it, then it either means you haven't managed your site or you haven't saved your template correctly, so you just need to double check that. So click Create, and then we're just going to save it for the moment. So File, Save, and this is going to be our home page, and we're just going to repeat that process. File, New, Page from Template, save it. This is going to be our volunteer page, and one more time, File, New, Page from Template, save it, and this one is going to be our profile page. So having made our pages, we now need to link them together. So if we try to go up the top here to make a link on the words, you'll see we've got that little no entry sign coming up. That is your little bit of information telling you that you need to go to the template to do that. So let's go back to our template, and we need to make these three words at the top here into three different links. We're going to use the hotspots to do that. So we click onto our image. Here's our hotspot tool down the bottom. I'm just going to use the rectangle tool, and we can just then draw a little box over the top of the first one. Just click OK on that. And then in our link, we can just type in the name of the page that we're going to link to. So home.html. Must make sure if I've used a capital in the name that I use capital in there. Make sure we put in our alt text, again for people with visual accessibility, link to home page, and that's that one done. And then we can just repeat our process. So we'll do the same for volunteer, draw a little hotspot around it, type in the name of our page. Don't forget, you must always put the .html bit on the end, and our alt text for visual accessibility. So let's save that, and it will just update all of our pages. We'll accept that, and if we switch across, you can see now all of our pages have got the links on. The little star here next to the name on those pages tells us that we haven't yet saved them, so do a save all. It also tells us that the logo has to be linked up to www.voluk.org.uk. So same deal. Click onto our image. Let's just draw a little hotspot around our logo as so. Click OK. Now, remember, with an online link, if we're going to an external website, we must put http:// at the beginning. That's the little bit of code that will tell Dreamweaver, will tell the internet browser that this is an online link. So then www.voluk.org.uk. Just be careful that when you are typing in any of the web addresses for links that they might give you, that you type them in correctly. If you don't spell it correctly, you will not get the mark for the link. And again, make sure that we put in our text for people with visual accessibility issues. And we'll just do the same for the logo on the other side. So save our template once again, update all of our pages, just quickly check that those changes have gone across, there we go, yes, yes, and then save all of our pages. So at this point we should have a reasonably working setup linked web page, and we just do a quick test on it. So remember, whilst you are doing the exam. You're not allowed to go online, but there's nothing stopping you opening up your pages in Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox and checking they work. So I'm just going to open up Windows Explorer here, find my home page and open that up, and then let's just click on the links and make sure they work. So volunteer, yep, that's fine. You can see it's changed the page address. Profile, yep, that's working. Back to the home page, and then let's just try one of the links there. So it works. That's not a real website, hence why there's nothing there, but it does actually work. The link is all good to go.